I have traveled through many galaxy and seen many planets. But most amazing in a small yellow star system, I only inhabit planet. Much of the surface is liquid water. The life form are carbon based. It is terribly remarkable at first glance. I only stumbled on it by accident. I was trying to take a shortcut in my normal route. And I was regretting it, though. I've never been the best according destination, and my shortcut was costing me extra to Zantic. But one nothing to do but wait out and spent time coming up with excuse. I told administrator I'd been trapped in a black hole the last 2 times. They probably wouldn't fall for it at here. Then he started getting a transmission. I was startled, obviously. None of me said anything about signal sending a location in the area. So it in. On slammed navid into a sudden old pattern. Oh, had no one ever told me about the planet? They were so advanced. I stared, stunned, at mass of record flooding into me receive. Fully senti un artificial life. Team travel. Instantaneous transportation. Viewpoint size of planet. Transmission en solver strangely primitive, but under te described more than made up for it. I set to receive to maximum uptake en translation speed. T'information came in such volume that it was overwhelming. I found even more technological marvel. Some were so powerful that it seemed to me to ever breaking at very low of physics. Oh wait that culture invisible, or create sustenance from air, or transform into different species with only a fait gesture, or strange vocalisation, or straight piece of ser large vegetative matter? I saw dominant organism interact with alien species innové even existed, travel to world did never hear of, all with invention ta easily outstripped or non civilization into universe. En I had discovered them. Ben là tout administrator one ve going to ba problem again. Ti would bring honor to me tantir nest for generation, en mi name would go down in history. The mass of information en mi grandiose dream vral so much that I didn't notice inconsistency at first. I was too busy simply taking Italien. But of inconsistency. Contradictory record. Piece taver adding up. Much of their technology only apprendance, or affect him, en one ve used in a perfectly applicable situation. When some of them had been trapped on a spacecraft with a hostile alien, we did only use basic projectile weapon? We didn't simply transform it into a harmless, small species? Or just transport and solve back to a safe location? Antaoa only un exemple. There were many more. And we had or anyone else, ever hear of them before? They could have conquered entire universe easily, at the desired. Or, if they were beneficent organism, provided greahed. Perhaps they were simply so far above us that they were of no concern. Perhaps such a powerful species preferred to ignore us inconsequential. But in one of the transmission showing at the strange being with equally strange alien? Ou made those aliens so much better than us? I had to examine them for myself. It wasn't the smartest thing to do. Of course, none of it was smart. As soon as I realized advanced nature of the planet, I should have rushed away, as far as I could. If the two were invaded, my poor ship would be helpless. I had nothing that would cause them the least bit of hesitation. But I must already know water. My basic visibility shielding had to be useless at my defense system. If they hadn't blasted me out of the galaxy yet, they must know car. And I owed it to the rest of the universe to find out the truth. So, instead of simply receiving a transmission, I cautiously delicately sent an exploratory signal out for direct planetary observance. Weti wa intolérable. Asumami viema de tetini ping of incoming data ispintulu kait so kikli tuk Michel Ould crack. Images on miscreen vronoting liket transmission. On li saute on bip dal speci. Te ressemblait on it juste bin starigna, bucalin certul technologie ould belogable. Te looket baroli capable of living ser on planet. Sommeting must bevron. Flipped between te recevait en te vie. Wa a adimist. Weed net signal paramètre. More of the Sam, te underwhelming planet, a fait blip from the atmosphere, te tiniest trace of past visit toute single moon. Look arte. On artificial device, completely anti of leaf, barely out of the solar system. Noting bayon. Look dagan at vie. At unbelievable, thrilling record tavre noting liket du planet actualiso. It dit d'un make sens. Of back in toute transmission, looking for clue, assigne, sommeting. Toi difficu. Te mort shed, te mort incredible tini fun ta simple livre Buten fun da pattern. Te planer record full of loss. No juste mio emotional feeling, oui chevre considérable, of loss, but physical. Var. Destruction. Over. Artificial life kit organique. Autrement d'où vipon qui mort. Event végétatif stickly to worldwide dit on a horrible scale. Te conclusion wa obvio, had been studying at distant past. It explain everything. The relatively primitive construction of the transmission terrain se lève over du tout détérioration of countless time cycle. The planecure primitive stat wa because the very in a state of recovery from the latest catastrophe. The contradiction vrai differera, all of which ended in horror. Looked at the planet with new understanding, en felt nothing but pity. Imagine, on of aspecita riachet de suchefi, on lit tout fall, again. A lever with the remainder of past glory tar no more. En yet te survived. Tever surviving, buti shattered vrokoff a 11 glorious pesiket te goin despikital. Ante uld triagain. Id sinit. Ti plane uld discove sommeting new. Sommeting ta uld yatagain de greate tant anitini cool deve imagine. I said, ti planet most amazing on veknon. A to live it, but will be back soon. En will be bringing help.